All right, good day, everyone. Welcome to the channel. So, short and sweet. I would never have thought I would have made this kind of video because I feel like it is something simple, but it is pertaining to the last video I made, which was like on staying online on Upwork, and then I think I had somebody who had challenges with doing it and also needed help on doing the same also on a laptop. So staying on Upwork on the phone and staying on Upwork, I mean staying online on Upwork on the phone and staying online on Upwork on a laptop or a PC or a computer. So I will just jump straight into it. It's not going to take time at all because it is very super simple. So I feel like you can also so most times people don't know the simple things. So let's just get straight into it. So I'll share my screen now and then I'll show you the message that I got, and then I'll then go ahead to actually working on it. So see you.
This is it. So this is a message from Akingboye Martin 6974, and his request was I should make a video on that of laptop, that is how to stay online on laptop. So that is what I'm going to be doing now. So Akingboye Martin is very simple, super simple, and then I will just go straight into it. So I would get into Upwork. I'll just use a dummy Upwork account, and then I would go straight into how you can actually stay online on Upwork. So this is trying to open on an Upwork account that it is just a client based account. Alright, so let's assume this is Upwork or this is Fiverr or anything. So basically what you need to stay online is just for it to like refresh. Do you understand? You just need to like refresh, because that's basically what keeps you online when your laptop is on, when your screen laptop is on. But most times, especially on Upwork, you will notice that there are when you are on somebody's on your accounts. Let me use my account, my Upwork account as an example. So take for example, let me refresh this. So if I am online, you would notice that there is a green like this little dot here would be green, and that is how it would look like for your clients. So clients that are online, this is the trick too, because I actually had issues with it when I was also starting out on Upwork. So when the little dots, let's say the little dots here, they are green, that is the client is online. If it is yellow, that means the client is online but not necessarily on that screen. For this now, for example, this guy is actually online and is actively on the screen. So, and let's see if we can see anybody that has a yellow label. This guy too is online as well. This is online too. Trying to see if I can see anybody that has a yellow label stuff. Okay, this guy Cody is actually online but not necessarily on the screen. He's not actively online on Upwork. Do you understand? So the way you are seeing it for clients here is the way they will also see it for you. That is, when you are online, there would be this green stuff. When you are online but not necessarily on Upwork, maybe you are working on another tab or something, and then you are disconnected, it would show the yellow. And when you are not online at all, it would show like this grayish circle or something. So for you to actually stay online, you need to like continuously refresh, because that shows that there is activity going on. And then you may have other things to do which may not really like to really stay online to be refreshing or stay on the tab, because you definitely want to work on other things in your laptop. So, and for you to actually work on this, you would need to install something called an auto refresher, which will help continuously refresh your tab so that it gives Upwork an assumption that you are online. So you can do this as well for Fiverr also. You can do this for Fiverr also. So basically, I have the extension installed here. So, but then I would go and use this for example. So basically, you can just search for tab reloader. So regardless of whatever browser you are using, you just search for tab reloader on Google, or you can go to your Chrome extension. That is where is it? Extension, and then visit Chrome Web Store, or you can go through this place. You can visit Chrome Web Store and then search for tab reloader. Tab reloader. So it's going to like bring you different auto refresh or tab reloader. So I have used this before, and then I have used this before, but I think I stick more, like I prefer this. Okay, let me show you how it is. uh yeah, which one it is. So this tab reloader, I prefer it because most times, although like each and every one of them have their faults and everything, because most times they can stop by themselves like without working or something. But then these have actually proven to like continuously work even when my laptop is off and then I turn it back on, and it still continues like reload. So I recommend this, though I'm not saying it's the best, but it's just that that's one that I use more. So add to Chrome is super simple, just like I said. Add extension, and then go pin this. Oh, I have lots of I have lots of extensions here. So tab reloader, where are you? So like I said, I have one I used to use before this, but it's kind of stops by itself sometimes. So that is one thing I don't like. So I've already pinned it, and then what you just need to do is to take it to your Upwork and then click on it. So you are going to set like the time that it's going to like continuously reload. Do you understand? So you can set it to 5 minutes. I most times set it to 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes it should refresh. You can set it to 30 seconds if you want. You can set it to 5 minutes, like I said. You can set it to 15 minutes. You can set it to 30 minutes. You can set it to 1 hour. You can set it to 5 hours. So you can also set it less than that, maybe every seconds, but I don't think that would be possible. So if you want it to be every 60 seconds, so basically this would be 0 and then 60. So basically that's just 1 minute actually. So I where's it? Okay. So let's select 30 seconds on actually, so that we can make this video short. So 30 seconds and then start reloading. So it would be doing the countdown, and then after the countdown it's going to refresh by itself. So let's wait and look. Of course you can definitely cancel the countdown, but it does not cancel what you're doing. You understand? So actually cancel it. So start reloading, but then what I'm just trying to say is like you can take it off and then it will still continue. In as much as this it is like red, like it is kind of like red or something. You see like it's red. So but like if it is not active, it would be gray. Let me show you that. Can you see it's gray? It does not have a like label, maybe like one or something. So and then if it is, so basically this one represents the number of tabs that it is currently working on. If it is working on 2 tabs, it will show 2. Let's assume I duplicate this tab. I duplicate this tab, and then let's wait for it to like be downloading. Then I go onto it, and then I click on start reloading. So you can see it changes to 2. So that means it will be refreshing the 2 tabs at the same time. Do you understand? So it will be refreshing the 2 tabs at the same time, but I don't want to refresh the tabs. I just make 1. So I'll cancel this, and then let's see how much time is left for this. So 22, 1. Okay, it's refreshed. Can you see? It's refreshed by itself. It's refreshed by itself. Like if you saw that, because I actually saw it, it's refreshed by itself. I guess the network was a little bit fast, so it did it. So, well, let's give it like another try again, and then let's focus on this place. Focus on this place. So 6, 5, 4. Focus on this place. Focus on this place. Okay, let's wait again. That didn't work for that time. So let's see. Maybe it was a bug. Okay, can you see it's refreshed by itself? It's refreshed by itself. So if you wait again for maybe another 30 seconds or so, and you would see that it's refreshed by itself. And then so you can even take your tab off, like you can take your you can take your screen off it, and then once it refreshes you would probably get something that signifies that something has actually changed. It is refreshing. So, and you can set like 5 minutes or a minute so that there will be like tangible space between like it refreshing and everything. So that one, in case the network is not like really working very well, and then it takes like 30 seconds for it to like be done loading, you can easily, it will still continue like loading without stopping or not loading. Anyways, I hope you understand. So I hope this video was helpful to you, Akinboye, uh, Akinboye Martins. So if you have any other questions or you have any other issues, please let me know, and then so I can see ways I can actually help out. So if this video was helpful in any way, so please do well to like, share, subscribe, and give a comment below. So also turn on the notification bell so that whenever any new video is being dropped, you can be easily updated. So thank you very much. And then if there's any other video that you like me to make as well, so please feel free to like give a suggestion and I'll see what I can do regarding that. So I yeah, basically thank you very much, and then enjoy the rest of the day.